Hello guys, welcome back to Droid Wisdom channel. Today I'll be walking you through how to set up custom ringtone on your Android device. Alright, let's face it, the default ringtone on Android phones are pretty lame. They are pretty lame. I got sick of hearing the same generic tone every time my phone rang, so I decided to jazz things up with some custom ringtones, and I am going to show you exactly how I did that. First, you want to make sure you've got enough room on your phone, although custom ringtones don't take up space, but every bit counts. Every bit counts, right? Next thing I like to do is to create a folder specifically for my ringtones. I like to call my ringtones. You can call yours Tone Ring or whatever you like. Don't mind me, guys. Honestly, doing this helps your phone recognize the files more easily. Now, for the fun part, setting up custom ringtone. I like to download pre-made ringtones from Zedge app. I don't know if you heard about it, but this app is a boom. When I'm feeling lazy, this app is a fantastic option for me as it offers millions of free ringtones and notification sounds. Another great app is Ringtones for Android phones, which boasts over 10,000 options across various genres, though you may likely experience lots of ads on the free version. But if you prefer not to download an app, there are plenty of websites where you can also download free ringtones, such as tonetweet.com, mobile9.com, or audico.com. So all of these sites are the sites can just try out. They have lots of pre-made ringtones you can download to your phone and set it up as your ringtone. Alright, let me show you just how I set up ringtone on my Android device. So head to your phone settings by swiping down from top of your screen, then head to this gear icon right here, the top icon on your screen, then tap to open. Right here on my settings menu page, I'm going to look for sounds and vibration right here, tap to open it. Then here you will see ringtone, so tap to open it, and here are pre-made ringtones that came with this very device. You can select from any of the ringtones here. Then if you want to explore more ringtones, maybe you've downloaded a ringtone and you want to bring it to this very place, to set it up as your main ringtone, all you just need to do is to go to this plus icon here, right here, then tap on it, then it will bring you here. Head to this very folder tab here, click on it. So here are the 3 folders that I have on this device, so you can access the audio file you want from any of this folder. So for me, I'm going to go back to tracks, then here is the very one I would like to select. So once selected, to be added here on the ringtone list. So here you would see over the very on the one I just selected that was just added here on the list. So to be sure that it's set as your ringtone, come here to your ringtone and you'll see the title of the file, the audio file. There's it over the horizon. So this is simply how you set up a ringtone on your device. Now let's get to customizing ringtone for specific contacts. To do that, open your phone app. This is my phone app, so I'm going to open. Then here is the sample contact I'm going to use for the demonstration. So I'm going to tap on it. Then these options will appear. And right here is the eye icon. Click on it. Then once you're on the contact page, head down here to more and tap on it. So once this pops up, come here, change ringtone, then / vibration. You tap on it, and here you'll see ringtone. Then it will still bring you to the ringtone page. So from here you can go to this plus icon here, then select the ringtone, the audio file you would want to set as ringtone for this very contact. Then for instance, I'm going to choose this, and here you'll see that it's added right here. It's added, so it means that this very ringtone has been set for this very contact. So that's how you set up custom ringtones for a specific contact. However, if you feel like making something truly more unique, you can take further steps to create your own custom ringtone by using this very app here. Ringtone Maker. So sometimes when I have an audio file that I like, all I just do is to come to this Ringtone Maker, tap on it to open. Then once it's open, select, okay, let me just select this. For instance, I'm going to choose this very audio file. I want to make a ringtone with this very audio file. All I just need to do is to come to this very 3 dots next to it and tap on it. Then go to this edit right here. So I'm going to tap on it and to bring it to this very page. So here you'll be able to create your custom ringtone. Just click OK. And then right here you'll be able to drag it. Then just know that you shouldn't shouldn't go beyond 30 seconds. Anything more than that should be very boring for a ringtone. So that's how I make my ringtone. So after that, click on save, then go and set it as your ringtone. So that's how it works. There you have it, guys, the complete rundown on setting up custom ringtones on your Android device. If you have any questions on this tutorial, leave them in the comment box below. And if this video was helpful in any way, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next